Welcome to the Big Bull Trading Indicator, the most powerful trading indicator ever. Now experience the power of AI in trading, enhanced by machine learning-driven buy and sell signals. The most advanced and highly accurate indicators in the market. For more, visit www.bigbulltradingindicator.com. In this video we will show you how to get access and how to use these indicators. Let's start with an introduction to the Big Bull Trading Indicators. We have upgraded and added a new, very powerful AI-powered trading indicator to our Big Bull Trading Suite. Traditional trading indicators are based on fixed mathematical formulas that use historical data. While they can be effective, they aren't always adept at recognizing the complexities and patterns in vast datasets. This is where AI comes into play. An AI-powered trading indicator uses machine learning algorithms to analyze market data. Instead of relying solely on historical data, these indicators learn from the data, adapting and improving their predictions over time. By recognizing patterns that might be invisible or too complex for traditional indicators, AI-powered tools can offer more nuanced insights. Our second most popular trend-based traditional buy and sell indicator has also been improved. It is designed to track the overall market activity, reduce noise and false trends, and provides a final buy or sell signal with 95% accuracy. The best part about our indicators is that you don't need any prior technical or fundamental knowledge for trading. Simply follow our indicators, which provide highly accurate buy or sell signals through the most complex confirmation and filtering systems for Forex, stocks, crypto, and all other segments. Our Big Bull indicators are easy to use and simple to understand. Even a newbie can become a professional trader with the help of our powerful indicators, which are created using the most accurate technical analysis methods. Stop losing your hard-earned money. Make consistent profits from Forex, stocks, crypto, and all other segments with the help of our precise indicators, created by technically experienced engineers in trade analysis. These powerful trading indicators form a comprehensive suite of tools that can help you recover your losses and make more profitable trades. Our Big Bull suite includes 10 powerful indicators that work together to give you the most accurate signals. By default, only the AI buy and sell signal indicator and support indicator for buy and sell are enabled to minimize the indicator loading time on charts. You can enable each indicator in the indicator settings. To enable any indicator, simply select the checkbox. If you're stuck with any setting of the indicator or if you have selected the wrong values for the indicator and wish to revert, simply select the Reset Setting option and click on OK. This is a short introduction video about the Big Bull indicators. For complete details about each indicator and to learn how to use them, please visit our guide page. The first indicator is an AI-powered buy and sell signal indicator, which we have already discussed earlier. The second indicator is a trend-based buy and sell signal indicator that provides the most accurate signals for entering and exiting trades. The third indicator helps set take profit and stop loss levels, allowing you to minimize losses and maximize profits. The fourth indicator identifies support and resistance levels, pinpointing key price action levels. The fifth indicator is the Fibonacci indicator, which helps in identifying key target levels and setting stop loss, support, or resistance levels. The sixth indicator is the Trending Direction Cloud indicator, offering a clear understanding of the market trend. The seventh indicator is the Market Data Table, providing a quick and easy way to view essential market data and trend direction. The eighth indicator supports the buy and sell signal indicator by confirming the validity of the signals. The ninth indicator helps you identify overbought and oversold conditions. The 10th indicator is an EMA of RSI, which confirms the RSI's performance. All these indicators are designed to work together seamlessly, ensuring the most accurate and reliable signals. With the Big Bull indicator, you'll have the advantage of making smarter and more informed trades, helping you recover any losses and enhance your profits. The Big Bull indicators are an indispensable tool for any trader aiming to elevate their market performance. With its robust suite of indicators, you'll be equipped to make more informed decisions, manage your risks effectively, and ultimately achieve heightened success in the markets. We strongly encourage you to try it out today and experience the results for yourself. Now, let's move to the second part of this video. How do you gain access to these indicators? To obtain access, please visit www.bigbulltradingindicator.com and choose a suitable plan. Once you've made a successful payment, you'll be redirected to a form. Here, input your full name, TradingView username, email address, and phone number. Then, click on the Submit button. If you're unsure of your TradingView username, there's a link provided that will guide you on how to find it. After submitting your details, our automated system will verify your information and payment. Within a few minutes, you'll receive an activation email containing a straightforward, step-by-step guide on how to access and utilize our indicators. Next, log into your TradingView account. After logging in, click on Product, followed by Chart Plus or Superchart. Click on the candle icon to access chart patterns and select the Heikin Ashi pattern. While each pattern has its unique strengths and weaknesses, Heikin Ashi is favored for its clarity in showcasing market trends. If it's not to your liking, numerous other patterns are available. Now click on Time Frame and opt for the 15 minutes. While you have the freedom to choose any time frame, for intraday trading, we recommend the 5, 15, 60 minutes, or 4 hours options. For an optimal view of the indicators, we suggest activating dark mode. To do this, click on the profile logo and enable the dark mode. To declutter your workspace, remove all existing indicators by right-clicking and selecting Remove Indicators. Then, navigate to Indicators, choose Invite Only Script, and click on the Big Bull, the name of the indicator. After waiting for 5 to 10 seconds, the indicators will appear on the chart. You can then select the second indicator and add it to the chart. To adjust the display area of the indicator, simply hold and drag the dividing line up or down. If preferred, you can conceal the values and properties of the indicator within the settings. For comprehensive guidance on how to utilize the Big Bull indicators in a live market, please visit www.bigbulltradingindicator.com and explore the setup and guide page. Thank you for watching.